So today I'm going to be cooking kale. Usually I'm cooking flour products because flour requires you to cook it. I don't think you can eat raw flour. Kale is almost like that. I'm just not sure how most people can psychologically take eating raw kale. So I'm going to show you a quick recipe on how to make kale tasty. And then I'm going to have my kid try cooked kale versus raw kale. And hopefully he'll still like eating vegetables after trying the raw kale. Okay, to get started, I'm going to peel off the kale from its stem. I don't have any uses for the stem, so if you do have a use, leave me a comment. Maybe we can save the environment, reuse, reduce, recycle, that kind of thing. So I already got 10 grams in here. So for my diet, I calculated that I needed, I believe it was 17 calories, and that's about 33 grams. So I got 22 grams, so I think it'll take about 3 of these stalks. So that's what I'm going to put in here today. You see, this is, I don't know if you consider this a lot of kale or not that much kale, but surely if you ate it raw, it would feel like a lot of kale. Once we cook it, you'll see how small this really gets. Alright, that's 35 grams. I think we're going to cook with this today. Okay, to get started, I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil in here. This is actually quite optional. I do it because it gives it a little bit, I don't know if flavor is the right word, but oil supposedly makes food smoother tasting, if that makes sense. So we're going to add that. And I'm going to actually throw the kale in right now. I have it on medium, maybe a little bit more close to medium high heat. I'm going to turn it down to medium heat now that the kale's in. This is actually a little bit closer to medium low. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add half a teaspoon. Maybe this is a bit overkill. I'm going to add it slowly, make sure this is, this might be a bit salty, but I think it'll taste good. And then just stir this up. I'm coating the kale in the oil. Covered in salt. And you can already see this just absolutely shrinking. And not only will that make it easier to eat, this will taste very good. This tastes surprisingly good. Maybe it's because I added a McDonald's amount of oil and a McDonald's amount of salt in here. But they sold, a billion some burgers or something for a reason. So, take them out of their playbook. So, kind of continuously moving. Like I said, this is on medium heat, so you don't want it to stay in the same place for too long, or it'll burn. Looking really good. It's definitely going to get smaller, so we're going to leave this on. I'm going to clean while I cook, efficiency. So I'm going to leave it on, and I'm going to put some stuff away. Okay, this is great. Oh man, these are like crispy, like French fries, which is kind of strange thinking that kale just moments ago was almost inedible. I'm excited. I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to save a little bit for our Leonardo to give a taste test.